How's it going, guys? Quick video going over my trades today. We actually had some pretty good price action considering it is a day going into FOMC. Fortunately, I didn't really take advantage of that, and that was just because I wasn't really expecting much. I was kind of expecting a choppy day, maybe take 1 or 2 trades. So I was actually away from my computer by 10:30. Nothing wrong with that, but definitely could have taken advantage of some of this nice price action that we got later in the day. So, well, let's do a quick recap. Anyways, this I was pretty much expecting us to have a nice move north. We were making these lower lows and these lower highs, and it looked like with these wicks we were ready to break out anytime. So I was targeting a long setup elsewhere. So I actually played TSM here, and I played TSM just because it had a nice what's it called, trend line that I could base my entry off of. So I got in on this candle at around 77.9. Um, and this candle right here is pretty much my exit. This resulted in over 35%, 40% gains. That's all I needed. And pretty much once these started skyrocketing, Con started skyrocketing, I was exited. Didn't look back on that. Went ahead and went back on SPY after we made this move, and I really wanted to make this play right here. This is an A plus setup. We are making these extremely tight lower highs, and we were keeping at the same low. Once this candle closed, I was looking, okay, let's go along here, and I should have gone in on this wick right here, but I just missed my entry by just a little bit. So that's all right. And once that happened, I was like, all right, I'm gonna move back into a short position, and I was pretty much targeting this trend line. Whenever I see a higher low like this, I'm thinking stair step up, elevator down, and we had this giant candle right here. And when I see a candle like this, yes, it is a good opportunity to short. We broke the trend line, but for me, I don't like the risk reward. I don't have a good entry. For all I know, we bounce back up, maybe chop around, and then die down. So I'm going to look for a setup that is really close to my stop loss that I get good risk reward on. So I ended up choosing square. I was already targeting this just because it was a very clean rising wedge, and this was same time as SPY was breaking down. I got in on this candle. Rode these cons pretty much all the way down to low day. I want to say I was out. Okay, not low day. I think I want to say I was out at around 61.8 area, um, towards this pretty much earlier previous low day. That was my exit. I was pretty much just watching SPY. It was continuing to break down, so we were able to get that move. So those are the two winning trades. They're really clean setups. Perfect 5 minute entries. Losing trade was on Oxy, and you could probably see here how this was a losing trade. This was a just chop. I've never seen anything like this, and it was chop city all day. This was what I got burned on. I was playing this as a rising wedge on the 5 minute. Um, we had that inverted hammer, and I ended up taking a retest on this 8:30 candle, and you can see I pretty much just got stopped out on the next candle. Um, I would take this trade again. I wasn't prepared for Oxy to be chopping around like this. One of my rules is, though, if I get chopped around on a trade, I'm not going to take that same ticker again. And that actually saved me here because you can see there was many opportunities to get faked out once again on this, and it was a hot mess today with Oxy. So might have to take a couple days off from Oxy, considering I missed such good price action on SPY. But overall, it was a pretty good day. Went 2 for 3, only traded for about half the day, and we're setting up lots of good setups for tomorrow. I posted quite a bit to my Discord, some to my Twitter, some bullish, some bearish, and we'll just see where things go with FOMC. Hopefully, this video helped a little. I like to keep these charts clean, give you guys a good idea of what I'm looking at during the day. Um, and hopefully, you guys can implement some of these trades in your trading. Thank you.